Hello and welcome to Episode Corner TV. Today we are showcasing Ofe Ogede, and that means unripe plantain, peanut, coconut porridge. Very delicious, and it's vegetarian. All right, so there is nothing like meat or meat condiment that is involved. So you just have the unripe plantain, baby corn, coconut milk, bean sprout, and spring onions and other condiments, and then salt to taste. And that's what you use to cook it. There's no oil, there's nothing there. It's just the coconut oil, and then you add peanut butter onto it to make it brownish. Okay, so it's wonderful. The ingredients I put out there, which include unripe plantain, like I said before, coconut milk, spring onions, pepper, tomatoes, baby corn, peanut butter, salt to taste. And it's wonderful meal you can, have for breakfast, or lunch, or just a comfortable dinner meal. All right, so it's very easy to prepare. I put everything under the description so that you can follow it up and have it prepared to your taste. Like I said, it's vegetarian. There is nothing meat or beef inside it. Even the condiments we didn't put any condiment that has something to do with beef or chicken or anything. It's just everything here is natural. Okay, it's very, very good, and it's vegetarian. Very easy to cook, and it takes between 25 minutes to 30 minutes, just because of the baby corn, just to make it soften the way you would like it and form that porridge base. Okay, and it's so delicious. So when you come and you cut the plantain into chopped sizes, very little, and then you do the same thing to the baby corn, and then you put 1 liter of water into the pot, and then you begin to add, first and foremost, you add the plantain and the baby corn, because they are the ones that are that takes time to be cooked. So you allow them to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes before adding other condiments like the spring onion, like the bean sprout. Those ones are very quick to cook, and then you know that you are almost half done. You look at that. That's the pot, and that's the quantity of water inside there that you need to add. So you begin to put all these things inside. Okay, see me, they are putting the plantain. All right, and the next thing I will put, obviously, is the baby corn, the chopped one, because I also chopped it into. I didn't put it as a whole. I chopped it, okay, into pieces. I put that one there, and the beans sprout together, okay, and then I allow them to cook very, very well up to 25 minutes, and then they begin to form the porridge base, as it were. Yeah. So this recipe is wonderful, and it's very, very quick to cook. And like I said, you can have it in the morning, have it in the afternoon, also have it in the night, depending. So you either take it as a breakfast or lunch or dinner. It comes out good. It can hold your stomach, it can hold your hunger, and at the end of the day, it's so delicious and yummy also. All right, so all the things that you need for this particular recipe is out there in the description. All right, and I also put the way you can cook. You can see me adding that coconut milk there. All right, that's what I use. I don't use oil on this particular occasion for this meal. Okay, so the next thing I will put at the end of the day, having almost done, is the a little bit of lemon onto it, a little bit of lemon, and then is the peanut butter. Okay, especially the smooth one. The smooth one works better than the crunchy ones. Okay, and that is it. If you don't want to, if you want a porridge that is just this, light cream this way, no problems. But if you want to, make it brownish, really creamy, when you see it, it looks so appetizing. That's why we put the the peanut butter. You can see the quantity I put that, just a teaspoon size, and this will brownish everything to make it brownish. At the end of the day, you will see the color of the porridge the way it is. All right. So the Ofe Ogede, the Ogede is actually plantain. That's what it is, in the Nigerian language, as it were. The Ogede is especially typically the Yoruba language in Nigeria. So and then the Ofe there is we want to put it the Igbo language as it is. Ofe means something like soup or porridge, as it were. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.